everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. I'm very excited to bring this video to you today. I bought 2 pallets this time, and if you watched a prior video, I did a pallet unboxing of some home goods, and lots of quilts and comforters and bed sheets were in it. Well, I was able to sell quite a bit of that already with a ton left. I've already made my money back and I'm already making a profit. So now it's all pure profit. I decided to buy 2 pallets this time and save on the shipping cost because it was going to cost the same to ship 2 pallets as just one, basically meaning it's going to bring my cost of goods down tremendously. So I'll insert what I paid for each pallet and the shipping and breakdown for you guys so that you can see it on the screen here. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe and like this video. It helps me a ton, but I will be putting out a lot of content for you guys. So I have some really exciting things coming very soon. I decided to team up with a company to start a podcast. So I will be having a podcast very, very soon for you guys. But as most of you know, if you are already following me, that I am a nurse. So I'm still working as a nurse full-time. But I really enjoy reselling things, so I'm really trying to scale that up and not work as much, because with the baby on the way, I also have 2 girls already, a step and then my daughter. I'm getting married soon and all that fun stuff, so really I want family time, and being able to have family time means everything to me. So reselling gives you the flexibility of going when you want to, you know, listing when you want to. If you want to go thrift and take a whole vacation with your family and work, you can do that. Whereas being a nurse, if I'm on the schedule, I have to be here. I have to be, you know, at work at a specific time. It doesn't really give me the flexibility of reselling. So I'm gonna go ahead and go grab both my daughters because they want to do the unboxing with me, and we're gonna show you guys what's inside. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys, and I'm gonna go grab them and get started. Okay guys, welcome back. I have my 2 daughters here. This is
Jakai.
And this is
Tessa.
And let's get started with what's in the box. This is a medium down alternative pillow. I'll probably only get like 10 bucks for this guy, but that's okay.
Just glow in the dark.
Cool. This is actually glow in the dark, and it looks like a Star Wars comforter for a kid. Oh, I actually already sold one of these from another box, and it looks like I have quite a few here. But I sold this the very first day it listed, so I'm excited to get more of these. Can you carry them?
I'm so
Oh, cool. A Snuggie tail, which is a little mermaid, and of course my daughter says she wants it, but that's not happening. She's got plenty in her room.
Plunger.
Oh, sweet. Well, if you need to do some plunging, here's a plunger. Oop, slow down, please. All right, this is a frozen twin quilt one. I actually got some queen ones, and those sold very quickly for me as well, so I'm excited to get a twin one.
That'll match my bed.
Yeah, another plunger. These more than likely I'm just gonna put in my garage sale. It's not worth the money to list and sell.
This pillow.
Oh cool, this is a matching frozen pillow, so I think it goes with the frozen set here. So maybe I'll list that as a pair. Oh, and a Room Essential 4-piece microfiber bed set. So that's cool.
Here's a makeup container.
Yeah, I love selling comforter sets. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I sold quite a bit from my last bulk unboxing. So it looks like an organizer. Again, unless I find more that I can make as a set, I more than likely will just sell this at a garage sale.
This is the animal.
Oh, cool. A little stuffed animal. I'm not sure who this guy is. So if you know who he is or what show he's off of, please drop that in the comments below.
I do not know.
So another frozen set.
Here's another one. Can I have one?
Another Snuggie tail. So we'll see. I might give both of you girls one. I'll think about it.
They're also
Oh,
different.
and another one.
There's different. I think they're different. Yeah, I think
Yeah, they diff a little bit.
Okay, this is a pretty, really soft pillow.
Oh, I want that one. We want that pillow.
They want everything. Of course, so do I, but that's not how you make money, guys. All right, this cool heart pillow.
I don't know what.
More
And
study
another frozen twin comforter set. All right, guys, we're probably gonna have to unload this and get started on the video again, so just put those back really quick. All right, we're back to go here. What's next, guys?
Snuggie tails.
More Snuggie tails. And I love getting multiples of items because that means one listing multiple times, it'll just keep selling. Oh, another frozen pillow. This could probably get bundled up with one of those. And all these little girls love the sequins that flip, right?
Ooh, here's a tiny thing.
Okay. This is still magnolia, just a sham it looks like, but I love the colors. Okay, so we got this frozen blanket. It does look like there's a clearance tag on it, so I'll just remove that. What do you got?
Body pillow.
Oh, I love this. This actually matches our decor, so we may end up keeping this one, but it's a really cool large pillow. Ooh, another soft down pillow. I'll have to look these up because I actually got a pillow in my last bulk unboxing that I was not aware that it actually sold for like $90 new. So I was able to sell it for $50 since it was still in the container. So make sure you look up comps on everything because you don't know what the price is gonna be. Oh, thank you, strong woman. This is a Threshold 5-piece. All right, what you got?
bath rug.
A bath rug. So my little helpers are doing amazing, but I did have to cut the box down so they could reach it for me. Here we go, guys. Let's see what's next.
This one.
Oh, another one of those pillows. So I've got two. I love it when I can sell two because it'll be a bundle. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is embroidered Okio text, but it's a pretty little throw pillow.
This is the same one. That one says a different color.
Yeah, this one is medium. A medium down. What is that? Aller Ease Cooling pulls heat away and delivers cool feeling. We might keep this because we were looking at stuff to actually make it a little cooler when we're in bed. Oh, another one of these awesome long pillows. Ooh, this is a big one. This is a huge pillow.
A jumbo.
Jumbo size. What you got,
That's sort of
girl?
blanket.
Opal House twin, and it's a pretty pink, like twill. A bath mat, the microfiber. These sell well on Facebook Marketplace. What we got? A full queen set, Savannah. I love the design. You got, ooh, this is a nice embroidered pillow here.
Sheet set.
Sweet, another sheet set. These have been selling for $20 to $30 for me, and they've actually been paying $9.99 for the shipping. So I've made, after fees, $16 to $25 on each set.
What is full queen set?
Either one, doesn't matter.
What is full queen?
Full queen means the size of the bed.
And this is the full queen.
All right, this is Lush Decor King. Ooh, this is a really pretty set. And again, it has the clearance sticker, so I will remove that. But it looks like the original price was $136. So this is gonna be a fun one to resell because I can get pretty close to the original value.
Wait, we have two of the same colors.
Yes.
Here's a full queen.
And another frozen set, a full queen. Okay, we are gonna unload this again because we're running out of room and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back to finish the rest of this box. There's quite a bit left still.
Here's this cute bed sheet.
Oh yeah, this is a twin and it originally was $60. It's really nice design. This is a Field Crest sheet set. What you got? Oh cool. Expandable under sink storage shelf. a waterproof mattress pad.
Another frozen blanket.
Cool, another frozen blanket. And this was originally $40. Okay, and this is just another one of those frozen blankets. It has been taken apart, so I will have to refold it.
Also, there's a stain.
Okay, yeah, if there's a stain, I'll have to get that out too. A rug, this is a really pretty rug.
Oh no, it's
Okay, and a heavy comforter, she says, but it's a nice one. It's in all the packaging. There is a clearance sticker on it, but it does not say the original price. Okay, what you got? This is just a Eurosham.
jumbo pillow.
Another jumbo pillow here.
These are white. These I won't have to.
What you got? Field Crest sheet set, silky soft. And the original value of that was actually $89, so it must be a real soft, butter soft sheet set there.
Here's white sheets, and you're probably not gonna have to. You should probably not drink coffee on it, or spill it.
Don't drink coffee on these. It's a white sheet set. Oh, this actually goes with the previous pillow that we had showed.
Jumbo.
Ooh, I like this. This is kind of like retro vintage velvet floral quilt, and there is a price tag on it, a clearance one. It was $60, so that'll be good. What have you got? Oh, you got two of these Field Crest Supima Classic Hem Stitch sheet set, and it was $99, so that's even more. And there's another one of them. And what do we got here? Two of these. We can probably sell that as a bundle.
This looks like back then.
Back then. This looks like back then. It's a sheet set. Ooh. Another queen bed skirt. Two soft plush. It's got the backing, those plush feel bath mats. Oh, but here's another one of those, I don't know, twin embroidered duvet cover.
Here's a soft, and this has the same thing as
Ooh.
the other one. It's soft.
It's a flannel sheet set, and it's a queen size, new in the packaging. Even though it's new in the packaging, you're going to want to open them and check, because sometimes people can shove stuff in them and it feels like it's still full, but it doesn't mean that all the pieces are inside. And you don't want to get a mad buyer.
Bath rug.
Another one of these cool bath rugs.
We both got jumbo things.
Warmer down alternative duvet insert. All right, and this is a down comforter by Field Crest.
I can see myself sleeping in there.
They both can fit in there. It's that big. I could probably get in there with them too. So they're going to be playing in this later. We have one more box to do. We're going to go unload all this, and honestly, I think I'm going to do a part 2 video for you guys so that this one isn't so long. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and get ready for number 2. We are going to do number 2, and these will upload separately. Thanks, guys.